Dakota Brady, 6 months old, white, female, last seen wearing two-piece white pajamas with flowers. The missing child was last seen at 4:30 a.m. on September 30th, 2020, Rockwall, Texas 75087. Police are looking for Margaret Van Aken, 21 years old, white, female, and Dakota Brady, 26 years old, white, male in connection with the abduction of the child. The suspects are believed to be driving a gray 2007 Toyota Sienna bearing TX license plate VKG9957. Law enforcement officials believe the child to be in grave or immediate danger. Anyone with information regarding this child abduction, department at 972-771-7724. News media point of contact is Rockwall Police Department at 972-772-6703.